Upgrade your DJI Action 3, 4 and 5 Pro with this beautiful original cage shooting grip. I'm gonna leave the link down below. There are multiple versions, so you can choose what you prefer. There is a version with a hot shoe, so you can mount the LED light and different kind of grips. The parts have been printed. They look amazing. Assembly is quite simple. You take a shutter and a hot shoe handle. This is the version without the hot shoe, but you can print that version also. And clip it in like this. It should slide on it quite easily. After that, you can close the cage with your DJI Osmo. So that part is done. The next part is to check your side holder, how it clips in. You don't want to miss orientation before you mount it on the handle. As handle is going like this, you want to double check is everything how it should be. Slide magnetic mount in the handle. As tolerances are tight, I really need to slide this inside. It is hard to take it out, but it is better in that way. And you slide in the clip inside of this mount. When you want to take this out from the bottom side, you can just pull this out like this and take out the magnetic mount. And here it is. And bam, done. This is how everything looks assembled. It is really compact and practical. This replaces that handle which usually people put on the bottom. This is more practical for me and looks a lot better, more professional. What I like is this extended button here, which you can use to start recording and stop recording. Really practical. There are links down below, so you can check on Maker World, original creator of this grip. There are multiple versions, so check out which is the most convenient for you.